Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and it is the November update. Also, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 also got a new update. So today in this video, we'll check out these updates. Starting off with the Galaxy S25 Ultra update. So for that, simply go into the settings, then tap on software update. Then from here, tap on download and install. The last update that I got was of October 1st, 2024 and there's a new update finally available. If you talk about adverse news, so the device stability improvements and some bug fixes are included with this update. The update size is 500 MBs and it is a security patch level of 1st November 2025. To update it, simply tap on restart now and your device will restart and the update will be installed on your device. But make sure that your device is completely free during this installation process. You will be unable to use your device. And once the installation is complete, your device will automatically restart, and as you guys can see, your device is on the latest security patch level of 1st November 2025 now. If you talk about the Buds update, so for that, simply open your Buds, then you have to go into the settings of your device in which the Buds are connected, then tap on these Buds option that will come in the settings now. Scroll all the way down and tap on Earbuds software update. From here you will get to see a new update available. So this update also includes some stability improvements and it is 7.38 MBs in size. And again, you will be unable to use your buds during this installation process. And that's a wrap for today's video. Check out these updates and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.